we'll keep going though. Let me go ahead and close this up. There we go. Let me just close player. All right. Story mode. Again, we already looked at the select. We already looked at the beginning and another episode. We already looked at the tutorials. We're just going to go straight into the, and remember this tutorial level is a cutscene. So we're just going to go straight into level 1. So this is level 1. And as you can see, here's the direction of right. You got the different spawns in here and the different enemies. I'm not gonna go too in depth with this one. I will show at least. You got the pot fires, and let me hide this front area so I can see. All right. And let me also do the P-trans so I can see. All right. So here are the different pots of fire here. Here are these pots over here. Here's the car that's going to come out here outside. Here are the two dummies on the left-hand side. So this is what's showing here, and it drops fire when you break these pots. So that's what's happening here. We got the Zen pot that's dropping food, the wood trainer, wood train, these two training dolls drop five dime. Another Zen. So they're doing all the pots and all that first. All right, so then we have the talking in the beginning. So that is a I'm assuming that both of these will be text models. So let me, maybe that happens. All right. So if we go down to text, that's what I'm saying. Like, I can't go through all of these. So I'm just gonna go to maybe the first two stages. If I could just get the text. All right, cool. All right, so here's text. We're looking for Jack 2 and stage set 1. Oh, so Jack 2 isn't 1. I just knew that would be a text model. Jack 2 isn't 1, so we'll see what that is in a second. But stage set 1 has to be. Oh no, maybe not. Was I able to move around? You know what I'm about to do? Instead of going through this, I am just going to go through the models.txt file. That's what I'm about to do, because this is taking forever. All right, so go to AOF, go to models.txt. And he definitely put a lot of work on this game. Models.txt. So let me do a control F. Jack 2. All right, so in the chars, 3 Jack 2. So let's pull him up, see what he's doing, see what he do. 1, 2, 3 Jack 2. So let's see what Jack 2 is. Jack 2 is an enemy, actually. Okay. I thought this was something else. All right. Let's look at stage set. I thought that was the conversation that happens at the beginning, but maybe it's not that. Let me minimize it. All right. Quick. So these are, this says talk. So we'll look at stage set 1 first. Let me see what this is. So it's in chars, miscellaneous, stages, stage set 1. All right, so let's see. All right, miscellaneous stages. Stage set 1. This is a panel. And it's loading up stage 1, stage 01-1. So let's look at the stage 01 stuff. Okay, so that's just this. So this is the stage text itself. All right, Jack 2 is an enemy. Well, let's look at Jack 2. Let me actually look at it, because maybe that is something before I skip past this. So let's see. So we got the spawn. We got the sub entity of Jack. Maybe this is a Jack talk. So spawn. Are there any other animations? We got all these taunts here. All right, so when we spawn this is going to spawn this Jack T1. So let's look at Jack T1. Let's see what that is. So I'm back to the models. Jack T1. All right, text. Here we go. Miscellaneous text. That's where it is. So miscellaneous text. Jack 2 and Jack 1. So there we go. Jack T1, I mean. So now this is a text, no skip. So it's gonna load and elect. So we need to see what elect is. But now we have, this is the conversation that I was trying to find. All right, so we got Jack 01. So this is the opening of the conversation. And if we just go down, then it's going to extend. Then we have the different frames. All right, and this is the final round. So this is what shows up. This is what shows up at the end of the stage. All righty, now we cooking with good grease. Okay, so then we just got this empty. All right, cool. So if we go back to Jack 1, so that's what's being loaded here. So then now we need to figure out what elect is. So what is elect? Because there's also like a ready thing that shows up. So where is that? So that's what I'm trying to figure out as well. So let's look up elect. Let's go to models. There we go. Miscellaneous starts, elect. Okay. Go back to Jack 1. Got the sub entity elect. And I believe this is gonna run. Where is this? Where is it? Talk about spawn frame. All right. 81. Okay, so I'll count them later in but 81. All right, so spawning at frame 81. Let's look, and that's under miscellaneous. I think it says starts. So let's go into starts this time. Elect. This is another. All right, there we go. The text. This is a text model. No skip. There we go. So you tie both of these together. Okay, I see what you did. So miscellaneous starts, ENGA. So let's look at those. Now here is the ready. So here's the ready bit or go or whatever it said. All right, ready, set, go. So this is the model for that. So that's how he has this game structure. All right, so that's stage 1, right? So we'll go back up. I think maybe it was the next portion. So we had 15, then 16, then the end. Okay, it might be this one. All right, we got the fire. We have the stage set again. Got the flames. So if we scroll down, then we got, I feel like you were fighting someone here. Maybe not. All right, so we'll keep scrolling down though. We got the barrels. Got these drums that you go to. I'm just gonna scroll down to the bottom here. These are flunkies that are with the boss, it seems like. All right, spawn Jack. If there's anything else, so I'm gonna look at Jack now. All right, so let's go back to models. This one I just hit Control F. Okay, Jack. All right, so 3 Jack, Jack.txt. All right, so let's look up 3 Jack. Jack.txt. We'll get loaded here. Jack talk. That is what is getting loaded here. We'll look for models Jack talk. So that's still in the text in Jack. So let's go down to where the text is. Text. Okay, what is going on? All right, Jack. Jack talk. Load, fight, start. Okay, fight start is what we're looking for. So fight start. So we'll leave this open and look at starts now. Starts, fight start. See what happens here. Oh yeah, this is the fight start part. This is something else. This is that fight. All right. So let me go back to Jack. Jack talk. So this is what happens at the end of that end of this stage. So we have this idle here. Once we get to the bottom of idle, which is the default, we'll spawn, fight start, then end this out. So if we look at this text here, so Jack talk, let me go back to Jack talk. Okay, so this is what I see. So we got the flip of this screen and all that. Then we have everything happening in this animation. So this is all driven by that animation. All right. There we go. So that's what I saw. Okay. We're done with this stage. Let's move on. On our next episode of Code Breakers, Art of Fighting Trouble in Southtown. Then the road front. Oh, right. Yeah, I was supposed to be on the motorcycle. If we look at these, so here are the different cars that are going, they're being spawned. Okay, I see. Well, I tell you, you put some time into this. I'll tell you that. Remember, Code Breakers releases every other Monday. Stay blessed and stay brilliant. Peace.